everybody. I'm going to talk about OpenCV 5, which is being worked on vigorously by our team. So this is going to look like a very technical update. So not very exciting, but for technical people, I hope that this is going to be, you'll have some fun understanding what's coming in OpenCV 5 and what you have to be careful about. So we will have, this is the outline of this talk, the short talk. We are going to have, in OpenCV 5, we will have better language support. We will have faster and smaller code that I'm going to talk about. We'll talk what is in the new hardware acceleration layer and what it means. The cleaner API of OpenCV, this will be refreshing for all of you because things had, OpenCV has been around for 25 years. This year we are celebrating its 25-year anniversary. So the cleaner API, things had, when something is this old, things are not always in the proper place. So cleaning up the API was very important. And then I'll tell you about the new changes in the deep neural network engine. And also we'll have better 3D vision support and better documentation. So let's go over each one of them.